Welcome to the Easy Tech Fix-It news channel, and I want to talk about something that is called video codecs. As in the news today, we have information that AV1 is officially going to be implemented in Windows with the newest generation devices. So what's AV1 and what is important about this is, first of all, when you watch video on the internet, you watch video through what we call a codec, or it's a way of rendering the image and compressing the video and all of that. Codecs are made to try to give you the highest quality of video, but using the least amount of data possible in general when you're streaming. The very popular codec used right now is H.264. This is one of the most popular ones around. It's used by pretty much everybody, even when you watch YouTube videos or you're on Netflix. Very often you're actually watching something that's using the H.264 codec. What is interesting with AV1, because codecs have one problem for some of the manufacturers and the streamers, is that it isn't necessarily free. Codecs might have royalties to be paid if you want to use them. And in 2015, a consortium which had Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Google kind of agreed upon a royalty-free version, open source version of a video codec that could be available in the future. And AV1 is that codec. It's a royalty-free codec for video compression. It also is nice because it actually compresses video 50% more than H.264. That means for high quality content, and especially for the future, it's important because more and more will be streaming 4K, which will demand a lot more bandwidth on the internet. Well, by having a good compression, at 50% more compression, well, the streaming or the size of the videos will be smaller, even though the quality will be higher. And that is something welcome because as we move forward, we'll have more and more of these videos that are huge, and the streaming will take a lot of space on the internet. And already actually right now, over 70% of the traffic on the internet is video playback, YouTube, Netflix, and so on. By having better codecs, we'll be able to lower the amount of data being sent for high quality videos. Now, one of the things about AV1 though is that it requires newer hardware. So that means that it will be implemented as hardware gets, people change their PCs or buy new phones or devices or new smart TVs, because it requires to have the latest technologies. And the reason probably why this is because of the high compression rate. It requires more powerful hardware to actually work. But it's coming, and Microsoft did announce that it will be implemented in Windows, but you'll need to have very latest technologies of graphics adapters and Intel CPUs that will be a generation 11 at least. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.